Welcome back. Inmates at Kolwaya jail involved in narcotic cases have been allegedly assaulted by the jail authorities and staff. Counsel of these inmates claim assault on their client. Advocate Raju Polekar informed media that they have seen the injured inmates and the matter is really serious. Altogether, 15 inmates are severely beaten. Human Rights Law Network has also taken a strong cognizance. Advocate Polekar has appealed the respective embassies to meet their nationals. IG Prisons has a sought report on NDPS under the trial assault case. These inmates were shifted to Kolwaya jail from Sada sub-jail on Saturday.
Sada jail inmates were shifted to newly built Kolwaya jail on Saturday. Advocates of almost 15 inmates involved in cases at NDPS Court Mapsa informed that their clients were badly beaten by jail authorities and staff of Kolwaya jail. Advocate Polekar confirmed that inmates had bruises and injury marks.
Almost more than 15 accused who are under trial have been beaten up very badly and seriously injured. Even the other prisoners are saying one of the accused, Neria Ben David, Israeli national, might have lost his eyesight also. That's the news. But we have to get it clarified from the jail authorities whether he is okay or whatever. But they are not allowing us to meet him. That shows some illegal intention on their part.
Advocate Polekar has appealed Portuguese, Israeli, Nigerian and British embassies to step in and meet their victim nationals. He also said that jail authorities are not cooperating with them.
Portuguese embassy, Israeli, then Nigerian embassy, British embassy to take note of this. Please come and meet your national here because their grievance is they are badly beaten up. We also moved an application on behalf of all these accused to meet them and to take a legal instruction, but they are refusing us to meet them. They are saying that the superintendent is not here, superintendent is in Vasco. They have to take permission from the superintendent and then only they will allow our lawyers to meet them.
Advocate Dolorosa Tulkar of Human Rights Law Network says fundamental rights of inmates cannot be compromised just because they are in custody.
We consider this extremely serious because whether they are in custody or not, and especially when they are in a custody, it becomes the duty of the superintendent, of the officers of jail to protect them and ensure their safety. Their fundamental rights suddenly are not reduced down to nothing just because they are in custody.
We contacted IG Prisons for his take on the allegation. He said he has heard about the alleged assault on NDPS under trials and have sought report from the jail authorities on the matter. We'll comment only after that. Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has made it clear that Shirdonkas will get a flyover and not a subway. The locals of Shirdona are not happy with the government's decision. They met CM on Monday. The agitated villagers have warned that they will support a candidate who supports their demand of subway. CM says the decision is in view of larger public interest.
तेंच्यांनी सांगला की फ्लायओव्हर तुमकां दिता फ्लायओव्हर दिता दॅट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जंक्शन ऑफ बांबोलीम जंक्शन आनी एंड जातले कोर्तालीम कितें त्या सायडीक सो हे दसऱ्याक तेंच्यांनी सांगला फावंडेशन स्टोन घालपाक येतले म्हणून वी आर नॉट सॅटिस्फायड पीपल ऑफ विलेजेस वोंट एग्री टू दीस पर्टिक्युलर स्टेटमेंट आतां आमी वचून लोकांक सांगतले म्हाका दिसना लोक आयकतले म्हणून रावंड अबाउट पळय तितून आसा सेफ्टी कांयच दिसना हे कितें आतां ते सांगता तितून एक सुद्दां मनीस असो सेफ जावचे ना इट इज अ क्लियर सायन टू द गव्हर्मेंट कोणूय बसता हेच्या फुडें कोणूय बसतला आनी आजुनूय सांगता इट्स अ क्लियर मेसेज टू ऑल द कॅन्डिडेट्स हू विल बी स्टँडींग फॉर द इलेक्शन दोज हू विल सपोर्ट अस right now for this particular project they will be the leaders.
CM is firm with the flyover and not subway.
जुवारी ब्रिज येता जुवारी ब्रिजाचे टेंडरूय जाला ताच्या बरोबर त्याचो एक्सेस फ्रॉम पेंजीम सायड आणि एक्सेस टुवर्ड्स मारगांव सायड हे दोन टेंडर जावपाचे आसा भितरलो एक्सेस फ्रॉम पेंजीम सायड जो आसा तातूंत फ्लायओव्हर आसा तो फ्लायओव्हर थंयसर पर्पज सर्व करता तो फ्लायओव्हर जसो जालो की पोंचो रस्तो जो आसा तो गांवा खातीर रस्तो उरलो आजचो एक्झिस्टींग जो आसा त्यामुळे आनी अंडरपास आनी नवो करची गरज ना पूण फ्लायओव्हर हो जावपाक अर्थात 2-2.5 वर्सां तरी वतली टील दॅट टायम जो एक्झिस्टींग रोड आसा तो रुंद करता थंय ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल घालतात ट्रॅफिक सर्कल घालता आयलँड आणि सेफ्टीच्या दृश्टीन आणि रस्त्याक रंबलर्स घालता.
बायपास जावं म्हणटा ते
कोण
फ्लायओव्हर
उलोवन गेले आणि एकाद्याक जर समजूंक ना विशय जाल्यार ना म्हाका हें मान्य ना तें मान्य ना, आमकां इन लार्जर इंटरेस्ट आमकां निर्णय घेवचो पडटा.
Early on Sunday, angry Shridonkars had blocked the national highway. Highway was blocked for almost 3 hours. Shridonkars demand a subway as the highway crossing is accident prone and there are frequent accidents reported at the spot. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Mickey's criticism on BJP and particularly on Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not serious. BJP MLAs too criticize BJP at times. The statement comes from the BJP state president Vinay Tendulkar. He claims Mickey is with the BJP and Mickey, after release from Sada jail, had announced that he will field candidates in all the 40 constituency against the Congress and the BJP.
म्हणजे आमची अजून युती आसा आनीक आमचे बरोबरूच आसा तो. तेजे कितें सेंटिमेंट आसा म्हणजे भितर बी उरला म्हणून तो उलयला आसतलो, प्रेशर आसतलो थोडो. आनीक तो आमकां विश्वास आसा की तो आमच्याच बरोबर आसतलो म्हणून. न्ही तें कितें आसता, आमचे सुद्दां काही एमएलए आमचेरूच क्रिटिसायज केल्ले, तुमी जाणा आसता. तशी तर कांय फरक ना. थोड्या दिसांनी तो कोण येतले तेका, भारतीय जनता पक्ष आनी तेजे भितरले म्हणजे कितें संबंध आसा तेजे कडेन संबंध आमचे बरे आसा आनी तो आमचे बरोबर आसतलो आमकां विश्वास आसा. कितें डिफरन्सीस जर आसा जाल्यार आमी सॉल्व करतले.
म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन
मिनिमम वील गेट 9 municipalities
out of 11.
out of 11.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.